Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you home chefs out there. The Romanticist kitchen knife set with block. This is, without a doubt, the best kitchen knife set for home chefs available in the market. Stay tuned as we delve into the details of this amazing product. Let's start by taking a closer look at what the Romanticist kitchen knife set has to offer. This 8-piece set includes everything you need for your culinary adventures. It's made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring exceptional strength and durability. The knives are lightweight and comfortable to hold, thanks to their ergonomic design. Now, let's talk about the standout features of this knife set. Firstly, the Romanticist set includes a chef knife, slicer knife, bread knife, utility knife, paring knife, sharpening steel, kitchen shears, and a knife block. It's a comprehensive collection designed to meet all your kitchen needs. One of the key features of these knives is the comfortable and non-slip handle. You won't have to worry about your knife slipping out of your hand while preparing food. The handle is made of plastic with a finger groove design, ensuring precise cuts with confidence. Now, let's talk about the blades. The blades are made from high-quality stainless steel and feature a black non-stick antioxidant coating. This coating not only enhances corrosion and rust resistance but also protects the blade from scratches when cutting through hard substances. What makes this set truly exceptional is its versatility. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this set has you covered. It's an ideal gift for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see what customers have to say about the Romanticist kitchen knife set. It boasts an impressive 4.6-star rating with customers praising its ergonomic design, giftable nature, and ease of use. Before we wrap up, here are some important tips. Make sure to clean the knives before the first use and always handle them with care, as they are extremely sharp. Keep them out of the reach of children and avoid chopping bones or using them to cut hard objects. In conclusion, the Romanticist kitchen knife set with block is a professional-grade kitchen essential that's perfect for both home chefs and professionals. Its high-quality construction, ergonomic design, and comprehensive set of knives make it the best kitchen knife set for home chefs available on the market. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in this fantastic kitchen knife set, we've provided a link in the description below. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest product reviews on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!